Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Lord Vishnu looked extraordinarily beautiful because the goddess of fortune and a garland were situated on his chest. His face was beautifully decorated with a smiling attitude which can captivate the entire world, especially the devotees. Fans of white hair appeared on both sides of the Lord like white swans, and the white canopy overhead looked like the moon. The smiling face of Lord Vishnu is pleasing to the whole world. Not only devotees but even non-devotees are attracted by such a smile. This verse nicely describes how the sun, moon, 8-petaled lotus flower and humming black bees were represented by the fans of hair, the overhead canopy, the moving earrings on both sides of his face, and his blackish hair. All together, accompanied by the conch shell, wheel, club, lotus flower, bow, arrows, shield and sword in his hands, these presented a grand and beautiful audience for Lord Vishnu, which captivated all the demigods there, including Daksha and Lord Brahma.